Namaste to all, and I hope you had a good trading day today. If you remember, today was quite volatile market. To large extent, it was a range bound, and we had to share two calls yesterday. And let me share you the pre-market calls which were shared on the YouTube itself. And I think almost both of these did move according to the expectations. One, if you go to the live yesterday's video, this was one trade. I think, sorry,
Now, unless
one moment. 280 to 320 per 100. So in the opening itself, this 4200 put got active. 290 was our entry, and the target was 350 to 400. It went more than 450 to be, or maybe slightly more higher. And the next 42,200 call, 240 was the entry. Target was 280 to 330. 280 was easily completed. So whenever this entries comes, when price moves from below, as we have always mentioned, you go ahead and take the trade comfortably. Today also we will be sharing the trades. Uh, so let us also look at the charts. If you look at the bank nifty, it opened high and then came down, took exact support at the price at the position where we had expected, and then this where here the put got activated, hit within about 10 minutes. The target was hit, and then started moving upwards. So though it was up, at we also had one live video, which I'm not sure how many of you watched, uh, where we shared our live trades.
market will move or maybe slow.
Let me show. So this was a live trade, uh, which we
Hopefully, we should see profit in the. We are trying to ride.
so anyways, so we shall try to make this live videos more often. Today is the CPI data coming, and what we can see is Dow Jones has formed this type of a pattern. It's getting rejected here. Try to move over this. We need to see if this price gets. Uh, but what we can also see this there is a good nice uh, breakout of this triangle, and then after that there has been a strong up move. So right now there is some rejection here at these levels. If price is able to sustain this, then we should be able to see 40 34 400 and even maybe 34 800 levels. uh, this can definitely impact our market. Our CPI data also is expected tomorrow. uh, by the price pattern or the chart pattern, what we can see is bank nifty possibly may want to move up. If price is able to sustain above uh, this level of So if it moves below this again tomorrow, 42,000, we may think of going short again for a target of 41,740. Sorry, and also we can think of 41,800 levels or even lower. However, if price can sustain above this level of 42,200 and stays above 42,300, the next target we should be easily seeing 42,650 levels. On the upper side, we should be able to see 42,800 levels or so. If you look at the option chain, Bank Nifty, there are call writers at 43,000, 42,500, and good is 42,000 put writers are there, which is way down below. The next writers has 42,200. So 42,000 is a good support. However, if this price, there are also some call writers here, and if price tends to stay above this, or then these call writers have to exit, readjust the positions to the higher levels. Uh, when we see Nifty, there is, as you see today also, in fact, Nifty was very range bound and bearish. Though it did come down, took support and moved up, it did not sustain at this level of 17,970 and move down below. It was trading in a range. So tomorrow for we should be able to see this range hopefully being broken, maybe at the open itself or maybe after some time. So tomorrow, of course, there are results of Infosys and HCL may rally the market. I'm slightly towards the bullish side. However, I would request to trade with levels. And if market is able to sustain above 17,980, my first target is 18,000, and the next target would be something around 18,090 levels. On the lower side, if price tends to sustain below 17,840, we may see levels of 17,665, and also if this trend line is taken off, then we shall see bearishness, and the next level of 17,500 levels can be seen, and below, if price sustains even below that, then we would have to see 17,200 or even lower. So this is for now. For tomorrow, we would be, please do join our Telegram channel as we do share hero zero trades frequently, especially if we feel that the market uh, can move on the, either one direction strongly. Uh, we do see Kotak is still bearish, and may would want to might want to go slightly much lower currently, but if this price is taken, then we should be able to see if the price is able to sustain above this, then we should be able to see the price going up to 18,800, sorry, 1,870 to 1,920 levels. However, what I can see is this type of a meme pattern being formed. So there is most possibly, if it goes below this, we should see more lows coming in Kotak Mahindra Bank. Tomorrow's we can expect HDFC Bank and Twins some positive rally, uh, hopefully, and if price is able to sustain above these levels, then we should see 2613 2680 in HDFC Limited. HDFC Bank also, we are expecting some kind of a bullishness above this levels of 1590. We should be able to see 1620 to 1640. However, before that, it may retrace back either tomorrow or sometime and then start moving up. The other bank pick I think I would be looking very keenly would be ICICI, which has been uh, slightly bearish for some time, but has definitely taken good support at this levels, 856. So we are expecting this possibly up move. In fact, I think this triangle pattern we had drawn and mentioned if price goes below this, then we should be seeing a downwards or upward also. Infosys is I think slightly still weak. Don't see any big moves coming unless the price of if it, price is able to sustain above 1512 levels, then we should see some level of 1591 to 1660 or even higher. So currently these are the magic levels I would say, and as per the pattern being formed, I would still expect some more move downwards. We can even expect 1450 levels also. And if however if price is able to sustain above 1480 above, then we should see some higher levels. One of our students had identified Tata Motors as a buy uh, just about a day back, and this has given a very nice up move today. The other stock I think is Vardhaman, which one of other student has mentioned, and even if we look at the charts, uh, if price is able to sustain above 327, then we should be able to see 340 to even 370 levels in short period of time. So thank you all. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your love, feedbacks. We will definitely try and make this channel more profitable. Please do join the Telegram. I think we had shared earlier. It is JSM Signals. So this is a Telegram channel at sorry. I think JSM Consulting. If so, anyway, I will JSM Trading Signals. So I'll share this for your quick reference. Thank you all, and have a profitable expiry. As you see that I'm slightly bullish. However, basis the charts, basis the option chain, tomorrow we would possibly look at and then take a informed decision how to trade. The option chain looks pretty bearish with a huge call writing. Uh, let's see tomorrow if bulls are able to take all of them out.